Rows 1 and 5 are worked very similarly. Most of the cables will be in pairs, with the cables having just crossed. Cable on the right in the pair will continue moving right, and the cable on the left in the pair will continue moving left. This is row around 5. It has these unpaired cables near the edge of the design. Those cables have traveled to the edge and they're going to start traveling in the other direction. So this one that's traveled to the right is going to start traveling left, and this one that's traveled to the left is going to start traveling right. I'll start by working the edge stitches. I'll be using a T2F1 to have these two design stitches travel to the left. I'll start by putting these two stitches on the cable needle and holding it in front. That's what the F stands for in T2F1. The next stitch on my left needle is a background stitch, so I'm going to purl it. And then I'm going to work the two design stitches from my cable needle. I bring my marl to the back, and I'm going to knit these through the back loop in their current color. So these ones are done in the contrast color. I'll pick up only the contrast color and knit through the back loop. This cable is going to travel one background stitch to the right. I'll put this background stitch on a cable needle and hold it to the back. This is going to be a T2B1. The B stands for back because we're holding the cable needle in the back. Now I'm going to work my design stitches. My marl is in the back. I'm going to knit through the back loop with only the yarn in the color of the stitch. Next, I'm going to work the stitch from the cable needle. It's a background stitch, so I'll purl it. We'll work the remainder of the row by working T2F1s and T2B1s.